The B2 Spirit. B2 is a multi-role bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear.
I can barely get him on camera.
As he stands it on that right wingtip there, coming down our show line here, giving you a beautiful bottom side view of the B2 Spirit. Again, operational out of Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. The B2
Going right over our heads.
Extra added bonus here, getting a third pass from the B2. Traditional program is a 2-pass show, and today they're giving us a full 3-pass event. So again, a bonus pass, no extra charge, as they come down our show line.
Right over our heads.
Spirit. What a unique view that is. That back wing device there as they come down the line. Something from Star Wars as it goes by.
So weird looking.
Pleasure being with you today. Roger that, Defcon 1. Do you have it? Cheers. Have a great day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a great big hand to our B2 Spirit as it heads west. Again, thank you so much for being with us. What a treat.
There he is, kicked it
Just
in.
need to be able to listen how quiet it is as it whispers by, and then as they power up to start their climb out to the west as they head for Mankato, Minnesota.
Wow.